good. It is fucking cold outside, so we're gonna actually see what we can do. Because I got like fucking 5 layers on right now. I don't know if we can actually move. We're gonna see. It is cold. It's fucking snowing, do you see this? So, alright. Well, I mean, yeah, it's snowing, but at least the roads are clear. So, as long as the roads are clear, I'll always be out here riding every day. Alright, let's get some clips. Like, honestly, like, I'm just so motivated that I will be out here every fucking day until there's snow on the ground. Like, if the roads are clear, I am out here. That's what it is. It's getting too cold, my hands are freezing. I'm gonna crash if I can't use my handbrake, so. No, not a bad. Alright. Fight crime, not wheelies. Alright guys, I am getting fucking freezing. In this cold weather, remember to wear your all your good gear, and always remember, best trick in the game, made known by Brian636, wear plastic gloves under your gloves so you do not get the wind between all these holes. It is an amazing trick. My hands still got cold, but they literally freeze. I don't know how else to explain that. They literally freeze when I just have these. They're great for protection, but they're not winter gloves. So if you just have regular riding gloves, get plastic, like doctor's gloves, whatever, and use those. Alright, it is cold enough to see my breath, so I am going to clip this, and yeah, we're gonna clip this and probably keep making videos all week, but hopefully it's not this freezing. And until next time,